7 new deals arrived on AppSumo today. I'll tell you what they are, go over the main features and benefits, and also show you the pricing. If you want to know which tools I recommend, I ranked them according to which ones are really catching my eye and I think worth buying. You can check out my rankings down in the description below. Now, if you are on the hunt for the best software you can use today to grow your business, I have my private Notion doc of my must-have SaaS tools for digital entrepreneurs, tons of AppSumo Deals, and other marketing software you can use to grow your business. I update this frequently, so if you want free access to this Notion spreadsheet, just click the link in my description. Academy LMS is a WordPress plugin for building and selling online courses. You can create courses, add lessons and quizzes, and also manage students. It also lets you sell memberships, handle payments, and you can even bundle courses together. This helps you set up and run your training programs much more smoothly. Academy LMS is back on AppSumo and it starts at $59 for license tier 1. Now you do get all of the features listed out in this deal even with tier 1, which gives you 1 site license and 1 installation service, including white labeling and also 20 plus integrations. Now, if you want more site licenses, you can go up to a higher tier. The highest tier is tier 4. It'll give you 200 site licenses. Adsby is an AI tool that helps you manage and improve your Google Ads campaigns. It suggests keywords, it writes ad copy for you, and alerts you to issues like broken links and budget spikes. You can track your competitors, create reports, and work with your team in one single dashboard. This makes it easier for you to save time and keep your ads performing as best as possible. You can grab Adsby on a lifetime deal starting at $69 for license tier 1. You do get all of the features listed out in this deal. Now keep in mind that this deal is reserved for AppSumo Plus members. So if you want to take advantage of this, you definitely need to grab AppSumo Plus. Tier 1 might be good for some of us. It does give you 1 connected ad account and 1 team member. But I think tier 2 would be a better spot because it does increase your limits. And regarding the AI credits per month, you can use them to generate reports or chat sessions. GuidedTrack lets you build apps, surveys, lessons, studies, and prototypes on your own. You can create forms, collect data, add logic like skip patterns, and use different question types. It also lets you add multimedia, send emails, and manage your user accounts. So this helps you test new ideas, collect feedback, or teach others quickly. You can grab GuidedTrack for $79 for license tier 1. Now, if you want the custom branding, you do need to get tier 3 or higher. Indy helps you manage your whole business from a single tool. You can send proposals, sign contracts, track your hours, create invoices, and get paid using this single platform. It also keeps all of your projects, files, and client information organized for you. So this saves you time and makes it easier to stay on top of your work. You can grab lifetime access to their Pro bundle for $39. Now keep in mind that you only have 1 user license, but with this you can send unlimited proposals, contracts, invoices, and have unlimited clients. And the file storage is 1 terabyte total, but the max per file is 1 gigabyte. Okay, so just keep that in mind. PromoAmp lets you run online giveaways to help grow your email and SMS list. You can set up competitions, customize the look, and offer different ways for people to enter, like using their email or even social media. It tracks the entries, the referrals, and performance, and you can embed it on your website or use a dedicated landing page. So this helps you reach more people, collect useful contact information, and increase engagement with your brand. You can get PromoAmp starting at $49 for license tier 1. Now, if you want the ability to remove the PromoAmp branding, then you would need to get tier 2 or higher. ResumeUp AI helps you quickly create and improve your resume using AI. You can choose from a variety of different templates, even get resume feedback, and check if your resume works with applicant tracking systems. The tool also helps you write cover letters and track your job applications. So really, this saves you time and makes your job search much more organized. And this was a #1 product of the day on Product Hunt. You can grab ResumeUp AI for $29, which is a very affordable option. You do get 1 user license. It gives you the AI-assisted resume builder. There's also a Chrome extension, and they do have the ATS score checker. Tigsaw helps you easily add and customize website components like banners, reviews, and timers. You can drag and drop templates, even personalize the widgets, and track visitor actions. It works with all major platforms and lets you manage your site's look from a single place. So this means you can update your website quickly and see what gets better results. You can grab Tigsaw starting at $79 for license tier 1. It gives you 5 websites. I really like how you do get unlimited website visitors for all tiers. And I think the limits are not too bad. You do get all of the features listed out in this deal. Now, if you want to see my official rankings of this week's deals, according to which ones are really catching my eye and I think worth buying, you can check out my official ranking in the description below.